Alright, y'all. What's up? This is the Ipsy box for December. So I'm going to open it up so we can see what's inside. I can show you the stuff that I picked and then the stuff that came with it and blah blah. You already know the deal if you saw the other videos. If not, watch the other ones too. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I can get it open. Okay. So of course this is what it looks like when you open it. And then this is everything inside. Okay. So let's go through it. So I'll start with the little baggie. Actually, this is very adorable. This is the little bag that comes with it. So you can kind of see it better. It's a little fuzzy. It's kind of cute. I might actually use this for something. And then this is the card. Home for the holidays. It's where the heart and fun is. Rock those festive playlists. Done a red lip. Indulge in what you love with who you love. It's what the holidays are all about. That's what that looks like. And this one says, oh, it's giving you recipes, like DIY recipes for your hair. It says one is to de-stress hair, and then one is to lighten your skin. Interesting. Fun facts. Okay, let's put that back in the bag. Okay, so let's start with the items that they picked for me. I had to pull out my phone because I forgot. So the items that were picked for me were this. Is this it? Okay, this one. So the first one is a probiotic skincare. And this is by Tula Skincare. Show you that. This one. Okay. Healthy looks good on you. That's cute. As soon as you open up the thingy. This is the bottle that it comes in. Okay. So that's one item that they chose for me. And then we have a brow gel that they also chose by Complex Culture. It says tinted volumizing brow gel. Let's show you how that looks. And the color is deep brunette. So if you're ever wondering how they got these colors, I had to do like a little assessment for them to kind of basically ask me questions about my skin and my color and X, Y, and Z, so they know what types of colors and things to send me. So this one, the color again is deep brunette. This is a brow gel. I still have never used any of the brow gels I've gotten. I honestly don't know how to use them, so maybe I should look that up too. I'll show you what it looks like. Fancy little bottle. And then if I open it up, this is what the brush looks like. I have to YouTube this to see how to do it. Put that back in the box. Alright, and then of course I got to pick 3 items. This is one. Oh, this is two. And this one is three. Okay. So these are the 3 items that I picked. The first one is a Rock Out Lash Out Mascara. First of all, let's get into this bottle because I've never had a mascara that looks like this. Like in this type of bottle. Normally it looks like the brow gel that I just got. So I actually am gonna open this. I love the way this brush looks. I almost want to try it on. It's the brush. Let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna try this. I think I'm allergic to mascara, but I hope I'm not because this one looks pretty cool and appealing, and I want to use it. This is by Eyeshadow London. So I'm gonna show you one more time. Beautiful, darling. So now we have a Nourishing Oil Cleanser. And this is, where's the name? Who is it by? It just says go to, so I wonder if that's the name of the company. Excuse me if it is and I got it wrong, but it's an oil, a cleansing oil. Oh, it's got a little it came with a it came with a cloth for me to use on my face. How cute and adorable. And this is the oil. You can't really see what that says, but that's the oil. It has a little pump. I've never used a cleansing oil. I have some, I've just never used it. So the last item out of the 3 that I got to pick is this 111 Skin item. And this is like the 3rd one I've had from them. I'm still currently working on the first one, so I'm grateful to have this because when I run out of that one, I have more. So this one is an anti-blemish booster. I'll show you what that looks like. Y'all see the Christmas lights blinging on the bottom of the bottle? I'm gonna open this. I wonder how much these really are. Like, I've never looked at the prices, but I'm sure they're expensive. And all their little bottles look like this. I'm gonna have to look it up because now I look it up. But if this one is like the other one, you just kind of put drops into your moisturizer and then put it on your face. Yep, so the same thing. So that's that one. And now we're into the items that I picked, the extra items. So the first one is this eyeshadow brush. I don't know if you can really see. It is by LaRousse. Take it out so you can see. Look at that. Soft, beautiful. I have tried a little bit of eyeshadow since the last video, y'all. Not today, obviously, but I have tried. So I've played around a little bit. I plan to play around a lot over the winter break since I won't have to go to all of my jobs, just one. So I'm gonna play around. I don't have no classes this winter. I gotta do all my chilling now before I start taking my hard classes in the spring. So it is what it is. And then we have Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is a liquid lipstick. It's called, I don't know. Oh, the color is Poet. Okay, so first of all, look at this color. I feel like this looks like the color that I have on my lips now. And I'm okay with it because this one is running low, but this is a Too Faced that I have. Let me show you. So let's open this. If I can get it out. This is so pretty. I think this is a mini one. That's what it was. It's not a full size, but it's a mini. But this is pretty. Show you this brush. I think I'll put it on my hand. Okay. Nothing like the color I have on my lips. Obviously, I'm crazy. Clearly, I have on glasses, but I guess they're not working that well. This is the color, if you can see it. Nothing like the color I have on my lips. It looks like it from the bottom. But the name of the color is Poet. And then I got an After Hours lip balm with moisture release technology. It's passion fruit flavor and is by Preventative Measures 101. So I got this because I like to keep a chapstick in my car, because especially during the winter, my lips, I have eczema, and it's not as bad as some cases of eczema I've seen, but it's not the greatest either. And in the winter it gets really, really bad. So I like to keep a chapstick in the car for my lips, and then one in my purse for my lips. So that way, if my lips get dry, I won't be walking around with ashy, dry lips. That's not cute. I actually do want to smell this. It smells really good. I'm gonna have to put this one in my car. The one in my car now is a good one, but it don't smell good like this. Alright. And then last but not least, you already know what it is. What it do. Face mask. So the first one, it says dewy skin and wrinkles. Oh, that's what it's for. Okay, so this is the first one. This one is for dewy skin, it says. And it's a sheet mask, so it's not like the clay joints. This is a sheet. And then this one is for wrinkle care. So I'm gonna add it to the collection of face masks that I have. If y'all saw the collection that I have, it's not okay. Like, I need to start using these way more often. The collection is just constantly growing. And I guess it's good because then I have spare ones. But it's just constantly growing. I have a bunch of them. I cleaned some out yesterday and I found that I had more than I thought I had. I thought I was actually running low and I was thinking, let me go get some. That's never the case, sis. I'm never running out. Like, there's so many in there. It's ridiculous. It's a problem. But I got more. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. So to kind of go through it again, I should have put it back in the box. To kind of go through. So that was everything. Just to go over it again. This was the first one they picked for me, which was the what was it again? Exfoliating sugar scrub. This one is the brow gel that they picked for me as well. And then the 3 items that I picked out of my 5 that comes with it was the oil cleanser. I'm about to drop this. The oil cleanser, this anti-blemish booster, and was it the mascara? The mascara. So those are the ones. These are the 5 items that came with the box. And then the mask, the eyeshadow brush, the lipstick, and the chapstick all are the extras that I picked, the add-ons that I put in there. So that's just about it. I can't wait to add the new mask to my mask collection. And hopefully sometime soon, when I run out of some cleansers, I can try the other ones and kind of review. And yeah, that's just kind of that. It's been real Make sure you check out the other videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Period. I don't know what else to say. Thanks for watching. See you later.